Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome to a new trading week. So, don't mind this mic that is everywhere is hot. We've not had light for weeks now. So let me show you guys what's happening on good. Good, they whine me. So if you've been following the challenge, you remember that I had this setup last week, but I entered for this one, which I got taken out. And then this week, today is Monday, price came to tap me in, but because of how I got taken out here, I had to wait for extra confirmation on this trade. So I'll show you guys on my order. I'll show you guys on my. So this is what the setup looks like here. This is the POI. Price tapped in, and then I was waiting for extra confirmation. I had to wait for. I saw this will I call it I had this point of interest. This is my point of interest. So I was waiting for price to contact me, and I had set my limit order, my pending order. So on 5k account, on the 20k account, as you can see, pending order, but price did not tap me in. You can see what happened there. Price skipped with some pips, and then you can see the move, you can see the buys. So, but my limit order is still set. I've not cancelled it because I'm still expecting price to come here. But I'm kind of seeing another entry, which is this level here, because there was a double break of structure here. So if I'm to edit this, I'll have to extend my entry to this level here, cover up. So I'll be risking like 100 and I'm racing like 162 pips. Then the overall target to the price. The price in 30 minutes. I'll be targeting the highs, these highs. Yeah, next 30 minutes. So if price starts selling from here to come tap us in on this PI, they will be targeting this high. We'll be targeting the high. So that's it. So that's it on good. That's what happened. Today is Monday, so let's just see. I've not cancelled my limit order yet. I've not cancelled it. So I'll keep you guys updated. So today is Tuesday. So this is what I'm looking at on good. Remember yesterday I had my limit order set on the 5 minutes time from the 11 on the 5 minutes time frame. I had my limit order set. But with what I'm seeing, I'm not sure if price is going to get to that level. So what I just did now is use the current POI. I adjusted my limit, use the current POI, and also set my SL to cover the POI of yesterday, which I had my limit set, which is this POI here. Understand? So I have my stop to cover it. So if price decides to start buying from this POI here, if price decides to start buying from this POI, I'm safe. And if it decides to just use this POI, tap and then start buying, I'm still on the trade. So overall, this trade is 1 is to what? Let me see. This is 1 is to 4 risk to reward trade. So let's see how it plays out. There's news today. So let's just see how this trade plays out. So guys, I got I got hit on this trade. As you can see, my got hit on this trade. So for the 5k account, use it. I close me out on $22 loss. Let's me out. So that's it. I'll attach the 20k account to it. Yeah, what's up guys? So welcome to a new week. So for last week I took only one trade, one setup, because that was the setup I was able to spot last week. And this is a new week, and today is Wednesday, if I'm not mistaken. Today is Wednesday. So I had a trade setup which I took, but I was able to take this trade setup on the 20k account, because if I had taken it on the 5k account, I'll be losing more than I intend to risk. So I'll show you guys the setup now and also the outcome. So for the trade setup, this is the trade I took today. So I was expecting price to come to this POI tap and then start selling. Just on the 15 minutes. But price tapped me in, sold, and the next thing I saw was this spike that took me out on the 20k account. Took me out on the 20k account, and then this trade was a loss for today. So I'll show you guys. I'll attach a screenshot of the trade, because my MT5 is not logged in on this system. Maybe I'll find a way to even log it in to make this my recording easier. So this was it. Good price action has just been one of the kind lately. So guys, I'm still trying to document my journey on how I plan on, or how I want to go from 5k to 50k in funding, and then it has not been an easy journey, because I've been trying to learn why trying to achieve that goal. When I mean learn, the strategy, psychology, risk management, trying different things. I'm trying different things at this point. At the point I was trying set and forget, which I still do now, and then align my trade to go to TP or SL. But I think I'll be making few changes, maybe going for a 1:2, or coming back to adding my break-even rule. If price moves at least a 1:1 or 1:2, I have to if price moves for a 1:1 or 1:2, I'll have to break even and secure my capital, because I'm at the point of I'm almost losing my funded account, and then on the 20k account I'm 9 drawdown, about 1% or 2% in drawdown, if I'm not mistaken. So that will be it, because while the journey goes, I have to involve and try to figure, because price action of last year is not the same price action of this year, and then as the price action change, you have to at least try to adapt to the new market condition. I have to try to adapt to the market condition and the new price action. So that will be it for this clip. The week we still have 2 more trading days, which is tomorrow and next. I'll keep you guys updated if I see any setup. I'll keep you guys updated, and if I don't, that will be all. I was unable to post a video last week because I took only one trade, and that will be a very short video. So I'll have to add this one to the last week and then keep posting until I say I'm going to document it until I lose this account, the 5k account and the 20k account, until I lose them both. Then maybe I will know what to do next from there. So I'll see you guys on the next clip. Yeah, so it's weekend guys, and then I just decided to just take this risk on this Ethereum trade. You get, so I'm just expecting a sell from this point here. So as you can see, it's 9:25 p.m. so I'll just I've set my S. I'll just have to set my TP, and then just allow the trade to run. If it goes in my favor, fine. If it hits me out, then that's fine. Just a risk. So I took this trade on the 5k account and also on the 20k account. So this is what it looks like.
So guys, this trade hit my SA, took me out. So I lost a couple of dollars. Let me show you guys the trade so you can see. And on the 20k account, it took me out. So this is what the balance of the 5k account looks like, and then I'll attach a screenshot of the 20k account. So that was all the trade for the week. I think just 2 trades for the week. And one thing I think I want to be doing now is exploring other pairs, checking out other pairs, because the way gold is the price action on gold now is not really stable, and I've been hitting losses back to back. So one thing I want to do now is check other pairs, have other pairs that I'm going to be trading. I was not supposed to take this crypto Ethereum trade, but because of the price action, I just wanted to just take it, because I want to start exploring other pairs, because I've been stick with trading gold for almost 3 years now. So it's time for me to explore other pairs. That is one thing I want to add now, and that's one thing I'll be focusing on. So these are the trades for the week. I will see you guys next week on the new episode if I get to take any trade. See you guys. What's up guys, this is a new week. So I just got into this good trade. This is what I'm looking at on gold. So this is on the 1 hour time frame. I feel my SL is too tight. But let's see how this trade plays out. I'll keep you guys updated. Yeah, so guys, price took me out on this trade. So this is what the 5k account looks like. And then I'll attach the 20k account. I'll attach a screenshot of the 20k account. So that will be all for this week. Just one trade for the week. So that'll be all. See you guys on the next episode. Peace out.